unajua tukiongea ngeli wasi tumebahatisha. Yeah, of course. Pengo. Pengo.
Yes.
Nickname
is Pengo Njia. Njia name nickname is Pengo Njia.
Okay. Sambwanda, it's Sambwanda.
Sambwanda is nyama. Sambwanda is nyama.
Yes.
A big people is Tingisha. Mbendembe binti.
Sambwanda is this Sambwanda.
Is it Mbendembe? Mbendembe.
Marekani is wiko. Bongo say girl stitch by foot and foot.
Yeah.
Tusikia wiko.
Yes, wiko.
Ikiwa inatikisika. Yeah, of course. Ikiwa inatikisika. Yeah, of course. Yeah, man. Hey, namna hiyo. Yeah, of course.
Isn't it clear? Isn't Sambwanda? Sambwanda is
example. Wiko. Yeah, of course.
Yeah, business now. Isn't it? Wiggle. In the Africa is sasa hivi izo nyeti izopotea.
Okay.
Zioni.
Guys, yeah. Tanzania is village.
Yeah.
Tandale.
Yeah.
Temeke, Kariakoo.
Yes.
Today. Yeah. Me is Stitch Kariakoo.
Yeah.
Boy touches my hand. Yeah. The shoulder.
Yeah.
I see.
I know
from Tanzania. Yeah. Manenge. Yeah, yanayuka. Yeah.
Of course.
Of course, Manenge. Of course.